Health benefits of beetroot and beet juice. What is a beetroot? Beetroot is a very common and popular root vegetable. It is a very versatile root vegetable as it can be cooked, pickled in vinegar, or sliced raw into salads. Beetroot is also known as beets, table beets, garden beets, and their Latin botanical name, Beta vulgaris. This humble vegetable has been used as a food source by humans since antiquity. The modern beet evolved from wild sea beets that once grew along the shores of the Mediterranean Sea, the European Atlantic coast, and the beaches of India. The ancient Romans used them as a medicine, as they believed that beets soothed fevers and could help with constipation. The Romans were also the first to use them as an aphrodisiac. Beets continued to be used as a remedy in medieval times and were thought to help treat digestive and blood conditions. During the 16th century, they were prescribed for patients who were fatigued and very pale, as they were regarded as blood builders. Of course, back then, doctors did not know that the reason beets help treat anemia and fatigue was the high iron content. We now know that this humble root vegetable is one of nature's superfoods and is packed full of goodness and nutrients. Nutritional benefits of beetroot and greens. Beetroot is rich in potassium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, sodium, iron, biotin, betanin, folic acid, vitamins C, A and B6. Some health benefits of eating beets. Improving exercise performance. Studies have shown that drinking a daily glass of beetroot juice can help us to maintain our activity levels as we age. A study undertaken by the University of Exeter's Sport and Health Sciences Department showed that ingesting this vegetable juice can reduce the amount of oxygen that you need to perform even low-intensity exercise such as walking. It is believed that drinking this juice also can help those with heart and lung conditions to maintain their activity levels. Beet juice can also be a great aid to athletes, as it has been shown that drinking it before a competition or exercising can improve their stamina levels by up to 20%. It is believed by scientists that the nitrates found in beetroot can help to widen blood vessels, which allows more oxygen to flow freely into the muscles. The nitrates also bring down the amount of oxygen needed by our muscles when we are moving, which allows people to undertake strenuous physical exercise for longer periods. Boosting the immune system. Beetroot is packed full of immune-boosting vitamin C and antioxidants, such as vitamin A and vitamin B6, so drinking a daily glass of this vegetable juice is great for giving your immune system a boost. Lowering blood pressure. A 2008 study in the medical journal Hypertension, which is the journal of the American Heart Association, showed that drinking 2 cups of beetroot juice a day can lower blood pressure by as much as 10 points for a 24-hour period. Lowering blood pressure is important because it helps lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beetroot juice contains a chemical called nitric oxide, which helps to relax blood vessels, obstructs blood clot formation, and displays powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Helping pregnant women, beets are an excellent source of folic acid, which is essential for normal tissue growth. Folic acid is an especially important part of a pregnant woman's diet because it helps in the development of a baby's spinal cord in the first trimester of pregnancy and can guard against defects of the spinal cord such as spina bifida. Reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Beetroot also contains high levels of the mineral silica. Silica is very important in the human body as it helps it to utilize calcium, which leads to sturdier bones and improves musculoskeletal health, helping to slow cancer growth. The red pigment on beetroot is caused by a compound called beta-cyanine, which is a very powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are very important for human health because they can destroy the free radicals in your body which are implicated in developing cancers and degenerative diseases. Beta-cyanine improves human cell respiration, and having high levels of beta-cyanine in your diet is thought to slow or even stop cancer cells growing. So drinking beetroot juice daily or regularly cooking with it is thought to go towards helping slow down tumor growth. Lowering cholesterol. Beetroot is a great source of soluble fiber which has been shown to have cholesterol-lowering capabilities. It contains carotenoids and flavonoids which help prevent LDL or bad cholesterol from being oxidized and then deposited in the arteries, which can potentially lead to heart disease. Combating dementia. A small study carried out at Wake Forest University in the USA discovered that drinking a daily glass of beetroot juice helps to prevent the onset of dementia in older adults. It was only a small study, but promising. 16 older adults were given diets that were either high or low in nitrates over a 4-day period. Beetroot contains a high level of nitrates, which are converted into nitrites in the body. Nitrites are thought to widen blood vessels and thus increase blood flow to certain areas of the brain, improving cognitive function as people age. Therefore, the findings of the study suggested that a diet rich in nitrates can help to improve mental function and help to prevent dementia. Balancing blood sugar. It is a virtually fat-free food and is also very low in calories. It also has an extremely low glycemic load, which means that it converts into sugars very slowly and which therefore helps to keep blood sugar levels stable. Aphrodisiac. Beetroot has been regarded as an aphrodisiac since ancient times. This reputation is derived from its high boron content. Boron is a trace mineral that helps increase testosterone levels in the blood and also helps the body to metabolize and use estrogen efficiently. Both of these are hormones that are important to maintain sex drive men and women. Improving liver function. Beets contain betaine, which helps to stimulate liver function and also helps protect the bile ducts. Does eating beetroot have any side effects? So we have established that beetroot is a wonderful, natural superfood that has many great health benefits if we include it in our diet. Are there any negative side effects from eating it or drinking that juice? One of the more dramatic, but harmless, side effects is beeturia, which can cause your urine to become a pinkish, red color. Drinking beetroot juice is not advised if you suffer from kidney stones, or have a history of kidney stones, as it contains oxalate which can encourage kidney stone development. A fairly rare side effect of eating beets is a tight feeling in the vocal cords. Mixing the juice with other vegetable or fruit juices seems to stop this from happening. If you have never had beetroot juice before and you are taking prescribed medication, it is always best to check with your medical practitioner to make sure it will not interfere in any way with your medication. So, to get all the wonderful health benefits of beetroot and beetroot juice, all you have to do is visit your local supermarket. Beetroot is an inexpensive vegetable that you can use in many different recipes. If you have a juicer, you can quickly make some fresh juice. Organic beetroot is best, as it means that you will not be ingesting so many harmful chemicals. If you do not want to buy or cook fresh beetroot, you can always choose to buy supplements and beetroot juices, which you should find to be readily available in your local health food shop.